Are you constantly fighting blurry vision, rising blood sugar numbers, and a feeling of heavy exhaustion? This is not just aging. You might feel like your body is rusting from the inside out. Your skin is losing its glow, and your energy is gone. You are depleted. Imagine one simple, ancient tree leaf that doctors are now calling the most nutrient-dense plant on Earth. It is a miracle. This green gold contains more vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk, and more potassium than bananas. It is a powerhouse. This natural powder is scientifically proven to lower blood sugar instantly, scrub your liver clean, and restore fading eyesight. The results are real. It acts as the ultimate natural multivitamin, filling every nutritional gap in your body and reversing the signs of biological aging. It heals you. This is the ultimate non-drug secret. 2. Stabilizing your insulin, detoxing your blood, and waking up with endless energy. It saves lives. We'll expose the huge difference between the fresh leaves and the dried powder, and why one is 10 times stronger. Get the right form. If you ignore this superfood, you risk blindness, kidney failure, and a metabolism that completely shuts down. The risk is high. We'll reveal the exact dosage you need and the simple tea trick too. Unlock its full healing power. Drink it right. Don't skip the final warning about the specific part of the tree that is toxic and must never be eaten. Be careful. Stay tuned to master the ultimate secret to fixing your eyes, your sugar, and your life. Your recovery starts now. The legendary plant we are revealing today, the tree of life that has survived for centuries, is Moringa Oleifera. For thousands of years, ancient healers in India and Africa used this tree to treat over 300 different diseases. They called it the miracle tree because every part of it, the leaves, the pods, the seeds, could save a life. But modern science has finally discovered why it is so powerful. The secret lies in its incredibly rare combination of bioactive compounds. Moringa is packed with a potent antioxidant called chlorogenic acid. This is the same compound found in green coffee beans, and it acts as a natural blood sugar stabilizer. When you consume moringa, the chlorogenic acid slows down the release of sugar into your bloodstream after a meal. It acts like a traffic cop, preventing the dangerous glucose spikes that destroy your blood vessels and nerves. Studies have shown that taking just 1 teaspoon of moringa powder daily can reduce fasting blood sugar levels by nearly 14%. This makes it a powerful natural tool for reversing type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. But the benefits for your eyes are even more shocking. We are living in an epidemic of blindness caused by age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Moringa is one of the richest sources of vitamin A beta-carotene on the planet. It contains 4 times more vitamin A than carrots. Vitamin A is the physical fuel for your retina. Without it, your night vision fails and your eyes dry out. Supplementing with moringa provides the raw materials to repair the retina and protect the lens from oxidative damage. It literally feeds your eyes, helping to restore clarity and prevent the graying of your vision. Now let's talk about the liver detox. Your liver is your body's filter, but it gets clogged with toxins from processed food, medication, and pollution. Moringa leaves contain high concentrations of polyphenols that protect the liver from toxicity. It has been shown to restore liver enzymes to normal levels and reduce liver fibrosis scarring. It essentially scrubs the filter, allowing your liver to burn fat efficiently again. This is why many people report losing stubborn belly fat. After adding moringa to their diet, their liver finally started working. It also purifies your blood in a very literal way. Moringa seeds are used in third-world countries to purify dirty water because they bind to bacteria and heavy metals. Inside your body, the leaves do the same thing. They act as a shelter, grabbing onto dangerous heavy metals like arsenic and lead and pulling them out of your system. Now we must discuss the anti-aging hormone found in this plant, Zeatin. Moringa is the most abundant natural source of zeatin, a plant hormone that drives cell division and growth. In human skin, zeatin delays the aging of cells and protects skin tissue from oxidative damage. This is why moringa oil is a prized beauty secret for erasing wrinkles and giving the skin a youthful glow. Eating the powder works from the inside out, helping your skin cells regenerate faster and stay elastic. Let's look at the nutrient density, because it replaces almost every synthetic vitamin in your cabinet. Gram for gram, dried moringa leaves contain 10 times the vitamin A of carrots, 17 times the calcium of milk, 15 times the potassium of bananas, 25 times the iron of spinach, 9 times the protein of yogurt. This is why it is used to fight malnutrition in starving nations. It is a complete food source. If you are feeling weak, anemic, or brittle, this powder refills your mineral reserves instantly. However, the form matters. You can eat fresh moringa leaves like spinach, but you have to eat a huge salad to get the therapeutic dose. The dried powder is far superior because the drying process concentrates the nutrients. By removing the water, you get 10 times the potency in a single teaspoon. The typical therapeutic dosage is 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon per day. Start with just half a teaspoon. Moringa is very potent and can act as a natural laxative if your body isn't used to it. If you take too much too fast, you will spend the day in the bathroom. Let your gut adjust slowly over 2 weeks. Now let's talk about the taste and how to fix it. Moringa tastes like very strong grassy spinach with a hint of horseradish. It is intense. Many people hate the taste. The best way to take it is the tea trick. Mix the powder into hot, not boiling water with a squeeze of lemon and a teaspoon of honey. The lemon cuts the grassy taste, and the vitamin C in the lemon boosts the absorption of the iron in the moringa by 300%. You can also hide it in a green smoothie, but the tea is the most traditional way to absorb the nutrients quickly. We must address the final urgent warning regarding the root of the tree. While the leaves, pods, drumsticks, and seeds are edible medicines, the root and the bark can be dangerous. The root contains a toxin called spirochete, which can cause paralysis and nerve damage if eaten in large amounts. Never try to make your own medicine from the roots of the moringa tree. Stick to the 100% pure leaf powder. Also, if you are pregnant, consult your doctor. In some traditions, moringa is used to stimulate uterine contractions, so high doses should be avoided during early pregnancy. But for everyone else, this green gold is the answer to modern malnutrition. It stabilizes your sugar, sharpens your eyes, scrubs your liver, and rebuilds your bones. This affordable, sustainable superfood is your ultimate tool for staying young and disease-free. We have now armed you with the exact knowledge to safely leverage this miracle tree. Now tell us in the comments below, have you ever tried moringa, and did you notice the energy boost? We want to hear your story. If this video revealed the simple cure for someone struggling with high blood sugar or poor vision, please share it immediately with them. You could be giving them a new life. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss our next video where we expose the top 3 surprising foods that are secretly causing your hair loss and aging. Thank you for prioritizing your health. Drink the green gold and restore your vision. We will see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.